Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to fix this item isn't available in your country Play Store on Android. So for example, you move to a new country and currently that specific application that you're searching for isn't available on your Gmail or Google account. So for example, I'm going to show you an application isn't actually available in my country. So when the app actually open up Cash App here, as you can see this item isn't available in your country. So there's a way for us to actually fix this. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Play Store and make sure that you could actually see your profile at the top right. From there, you want to click on your profile. And here you want to go to Payments and Subscription. Under Payments and Subscription, you want to click on Payment Methods. And under Payment Methods, you want to click on More Payment Settings. Under More Payment Settings, a new web browser will open on your mobile device. From here, you want to click on the top left of your screen. That's where the three bar icon is. And from here, you want to click on Settings. Under Settings, we'll be looking for the country or region under the Payments profile options there. Just click on the right or pencil icon there and just click on Create a New Profile. Under New Create Profile, you just want to click on Continue to create a new Payments profile. And here you want to choose the country or region that specific application is available or where you are currently in that specific region. We're going to use a region where Cash App is actually available with just the United States. From here, just click on Continue. And here you want to click or add your address line 1, address line 2, city, state, and zip code. And just hit and submit. See here it's going to say New Payments Profile created and just click on View Profile. Now here, once you've got into this specific feed, you'll want to go back into your home page and open up Google Play Store again. From here, you want to go back and just click on your profile at the top right again. And from here, you want to go to Settings. Under Settings, you want to go to General. Under General, you want to click on Account and Device Preferences. So under the Account and Devices Preferences, you should be able to see the country or profiles that you've just recently created. So as you can see right now, I can't see the profile that I've just created. So when we click on the Learn More option here, you'll be able to learn that you must wait 12 months after initially creating a payments profile before you can actually change your Play a country. So unfortunately, we'll have to wait 12 months to actually use that specific Play country or payment profile on our account, and therefore we must wait of our 12 months to actually use it. But if you're in a hurry and actually really need that application in your mobile device, then you would have to actually create a new account using that country's internet connection. So if you're currently in that country's internet connection, you'll be able to actually view that specific application without having to use any VPN applications. Also, using VPN applications, Google can actually detect that, so it would be really hard. You might have to use very advanced VPN, which is actually most of the time speed, and that's basically it. Either you have to wait 12 months after creating your payment profile, or you just need to create a new one in order for this to work. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.